What a great match we have here to start off this night, guys.
And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
Pure gold.
And his opponent, from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 232 pounds, the WCW World Heavyweight Champion, Golddust.
Erratic, strange. What an entrance. It's mesmerizing. It's intoxicating.
Ooh, that kick could be a game changer.
And we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
If you haven't hit record yet, now might be a good time to do that. These guys are going to have a match you'll want to watch over and over again.
Well, that's one way to surprise an opponent. And he's heading back in.
Break your crown.
Float over.
Oh.
And do it. Oh, what impact.
Golddust feeling the pressure now.
Don't be surprised if he shrugs it off and comes back more motivated than ever.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Cole. This is just a little bump in the road for him here. Nothing to worry about.
I'm not going to go so far as to say he can't win this match, but things certainly aren't looking good for him right now. Smart strategy, attack the knee.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle.
Nasty impact. Ooh! Hooked him up. Oh, what incredible power. Wow, what a vertical suplex.
Oh, torturous knee.
Golddust stumbling a little here. He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
Well, he's certainly looking a little worse for wear, but that doesn't mean you should count him out just yet. I'm sure there's plenty of fight still left in it. Before putting on the gold latex, the face paint, and the blonde wig, Golddust was known as Dustin Rhodes, the son of iconic WWE Hall of Famer, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes.
Inverted power slam. Wow.
You gotta believe this one's over.
I don't think this is how Golddust saw this thing playing out.
He has him right where he wants him. Here we go. Brutal knee right to the face.
He's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Dustin Rhodes has spoken extensively on the pressures of trying to step out of his father's shadow. The persona of Golddust came at the perfect time for the son of the American Dream. He's going for the pin.
There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.
Here's another quick look at some of the highlights.
And last but not least, there was this.
Here is your winner, Big Evil Marcus.
And that's a win to start off the night.
If that's the type of action we're going to get all night long, I can't wait to see the rest of the card unfold.
Believe it or not, that's just the beginning, folks. Stay tuned for more